Setting up the gazebo. Alrighty. David's just putting his car back together now. It's looking pretty good. Just got to do the final sand and then it should be ready for paint. Just a quick update on the blue Rec Z. As you can see, we've got a replacement part here. Fitted that on. And that's gonna hopefully line all up. Picked up a blue fender off Gumtree. That's looking good now. Just gotta fit the top bit on, and the radiator, headlights, and a front bumper. Josh is out back riding dirt bikes. Good old Commodore. There's Josh. Let's get it! Got the bumper, hood, and the headlights on. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Just gotta work on making everything line up properly. But this side's pretty good. Suspension's a bit bent. As you can see, it's pushed back a bit. But we got all the arms for it, so should be able to replace that soon. Z.
Perfect timing.
Yeah, I know.
See, look, I'll show you. See how it's got there?
Oh, yeah. You enjoying your mousse? Chocolate mousse. Shakti! What does that mean?
This is my car.
The Z Life.
Why you slam my door cone?
Oh, sorry. Alpine. What does it say?
YOLO.
YOLO. See you, sushi train. Freaking speed bumps, eh?
Back in elementary, drive home.
Got a mad angle.
Left me alone, I grew up amongst a dying breed. Inside my mind,
Oh.
until I got that dog like
It was fine when I come in because I
No, it's probably because I'm sitting in
got the
there.
proper angle.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
the first of his son. Please don't forget
So you can see the YOLO now a little bit.
Now I gotta quickly do this. Get the radiator for the other Z. Most of the parts here to put back in. So we've got the hood, aircon, the front end bit, and the radiator. And that should just bolt back in and then be able to line everything up. Off my other Z just to see how everything goes back in together. Make sure we do it properly. Front end's nearly on. Just test fitting it all on. Just noticed a leak. But luckily, I got spares of everything. Just a quick update. We've got most of it back together. Got the headlights in. They're all wired up, so should work. Yep.